to talk about Chapter 9, Lesson 4, How are chemical properties used? Let's start with a small question. What are some uses of iron in our life? Can you give an example? This is iron metal. We use it in what? Excellent. We use it in car, in laptops, TVs, mobile. Using chemical properties. Any material or substance have a different physical or chemical properties. So different substances have a different physical and chemical properties. Understanding a material's chemical properties help separate it from other chemicals or identify unknown substance. So any material or substance have a different physical and chemical properties. For example, the properties of paper is different from the properties of iron. So understanding these properties help to separate it from other chemicals or identify unknown substance. So chemical properties we can use in water purification. So if I know the chemical properties of this substance, it help of water, it help in water purification. At water treatment plants, workers separate many substances that are mixed with water. So there is a lot of impurities or harmful material or bacteria present inside water. So how to clear this water? So worker can separate this substance that are mixed with water to make it safe for use. At the beginning they add the chemicals. So this is a impurities water. Add a chemical to this water. This chemical it coagulate or stick with harmful materials. So they add chemical that cause the large particles to stick together. So what happened? Look, large particle it will stick together. Large impurities or bacteria will stick together and settled like this. Settled at the bottom and then be removed by filter. So next the water is passed through a filter. So when I filter this water, after the impurities or harmful material will stick together and settled at the bottom of the water. If I filter this water, the water will pass and the remaining or large particle stay on the filter. So the water is passed through the filter to remove particles of solid, algae and harmful bacteria. Finally, chlorine. If I add chlorine, it is added to kill any bacteria. So here I add the chemicals. First step, I add the chemicals to coagulate or stick sticky particles together to become large particles. These large particles will settle at the bottom of the water. Add and then filter this water